Hey guys, it's Alan, the Fireman 1028, and today we're going to be installing a Tusk rear rack on our 2022 KTM 390 Adventure. This is going to be the first in our luggage install. Top rack plate is always, especially the Tusk ones, they're great plates. You can do a lot of things with it. It's got tons of mounting points to strap down different tail bags, whatever, from a small Nelson rig bag to a 50-liter Moscow Moto bag. So you can really do a lot of things with these little plates right here. Super easy install. If you remember, we already got the KTM carrier, bag carriers here mounted on the side, and we will be using KTM bags there. But we figured the KTM or the Tusk plate would be a great addition for the rear of the bike, not only for protection but also for mounting different luggage solutions on there. The downside is you do lose your grab rails, but the kit replaces these with another rail, so you can still kind of use those as a grab rail. So let's get started on the installation. All you really need is you need a what is that? You need a number 6 T-handle and you need a number 4 T-handle, and that's it. And then maybe a set of pliers to hold on a lock nut at the bottom. So let's get started on the install. All right, so our first step is we're going to remove the factory handrail, and you got two 6mm Allen bolts right here. All right, we're not going to be reusing that hardware. Oh, good Lord, that booger's stiff. That was a stiff bolt. Now, we're not going to be reusing the stock hardware, but we'll keep a hold of that. So if we ever decide to sell the bike, we can return it to stock. So we'll keep the hardware there. Let's remove the right side. Damn, that's stiff. Damn, that was tough. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to replace those handrails with these bars right here. This is the right side. We're just going to put them in there very loose for right now. All right, so we got those in just very loose, and we'll go ahead and install the plate, then we'll tighten everything down. Now, if you'll notice on the Tusk bars, you have a threaded insert inside this hole right here. So that's why your kit only comes with 2 nylon lock nuts. These flush mount screws, these will lock into those, and then the back ones will lock in with the nylon nuts. So let's loose fit those. Here's where our 4mm comes in handy. So I love the design of the Tusk stuff because it allows you to, they put holes in here where you can access the bolts that hold the plate in place, or that hold the arms in place without having to remove the top plate. So it's just little things like that. It's just well thought out. So we can loose fit everything and then tighten everything down together at one time. Busted up my right hand. I got a thorn in the side of my finger, got bit by ants. I busted my knuckles at the gym this morning, so as my son used to say, I've been beat up all day. All right, so now we got everything kind of loose fit, so let's go ahead and start tightening these These bolts down here that hold the arms in place. Again, hindsight, a 6mm Allen head socket probably would have been a better choice. These bolts are pretty stiff. I mean, so look, you still got these grab handles here, so you can still use those as grab handles or to strap something else down. So it's not like you completely lose your grab handles. Some bitch is tight. All right, we'll get a set of a pair of channel lock pliers and we'll tighten down these bolts in the back here. Got to drop the tool, that's obligatory. All right, guys, and that's it. That's all it takes to install the Tusk rear rack on our 2022 or any year KTM 390 Adventure. Again, you still have these bars here for hand grabs for a passenger or for strapping down luggage or whatever else. And actually, they've got little notches on them right here, little welds right here, which actually is meant for strapping down different things to kind of hold your straps in place. So again, really simple installation, really simple product, and I highly recommend it for everybody. And actually, it still provides a little bit of crash protection there. So again, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. It's the ultimate compliment. Thank you. God bless. Roll Tide. And remember, tomorrow needs you. Thanks, guys.